Hello developers. Welcome to Tencent RTC's tutorial video. I'm Taylor, the avatar powered by Tencent RTC. Today, I'll show you an advanced feature of Tencent RTC Call called nickname and profile photo settings. If your audio and video calling website or web app requires it, then follow the steps in this video to get started. Step 1. Interface Introduction. Next, you will proceed to set our nickname and profile photo. To achieve this, we need to call the TUI callkitserve.setSelfInfo interface. Now, let's go back to the project and implement it. Step 2. Calling the interface in the project file. In the location shown in the video, write the setSelfInfo function and call the TUI callkitserver.setSelfInfo interface within the function. The video uses Jack as an example for the nickname. You can replace the URL after the avatar with your own URL. Next, go back to the top of the code and add a button tag within the template tag. When we click this button, the modified nickname will be displayed. Step 3, demonstration and testing of customizing nickname and avatar. Now let's go back to the demo section. First, we need to initialize the login. You will notice a button labeled setSelfInfo API. The other demo is not encoded, so it is not displayed. Next, we make the first call. You will see that the nickname of the called user is callkituser1. After hanging up, click the less than setSelfInfo API button and make a second call. You will see that the nickname changes to Jack in this case. And that's it. You've successfully set your nickname and profile photo into your calling website. We hope this tutorial was helpful. For more information and resources, visit our official website, trtc.io. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Welcome you guys to subscribe to our channel. Happy coding!